Hey everybody, welcome back, and we're going to get started with the Bargain Bead Box for December 2021. And first, I always like to show you what I've been working on here. And as you can see, working on another Russian spiral bracelet. I just can't help it. I just love making them. So this is what I just finished a couple days ago. Isn't that pretty? That is gorgeous. I did that. And this one is gorgeous. It looks very vintage. This is not my pattern. I found it online. And if you would like to make it, I can link it. I don't know if I'm allowed to mention names on here or not yet. So, you know, I can always put it in the link if you want to know how to make this. It's not my creation. So, but isn't it gorgeous? It's just so vintage looking. I really love it. And here's another one. This reminds me of the movie Frozen for some reason. It's a wintry wonderland in that bracelet. So it's really pretty. Very pretty. So that's what I've been working on, and I just finished this last night, another Russian spiral. And as you can see, I'm getting ready to put a clasp on it, but it's also pretty. So pretty. Okay. And so we're going to go ahead and get started with the Bargain Bead Box for December 2021. Excuse me, let me get this out of the way. And this is what it looks like. Let me zoom back out a little bit. So it comes in this white organza bag, okay? I'm just gonna read to you what it's about here. And the theme for the Bargain Bead Box for December 2021 is the Winter Wonderland. Basically, it's chili blue and icy crystal combined for an elegant winter collection. Genuine quartz is our centerpiece, with rough natural points reminiscent of icicles and a strand of pale ice blue graduated rounds. Other highlights include sparkling cut glass snowflakes, snowy halite, and wintry crystal accents. Antique silver findings add the final touch. And as usual, you will get the Bargain Bead Box subscribers will get a 30% off discount to their sister store, okay? And it is $17.95 a month to get the Bargain Bead Box. And their sister store, Bead Box Bargains, also has a lot of great items there. I highly reasonable, very reasonable, just like this is. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and get started. There are 20 items in here, and I'm going to go, usually I number them from like 1 on up, but I'm just going to pull it out of the bag like this, and whatever one I get out, that's what we're going to do. Something a little different, so that way I don't have to take the time to line them all up. So let's see, I'm going to have to probably zoom in more also. So looks like we're going to be starting out with number 14. And this is one of my favorite type of beads. Let me zoom in. This is really pretty. Let me bring my light in a little bit more here. Okay. There we go. So number 14. 14 is a 16-inch strand 6x4 mil crystal rondelle beads and steel blue metallic iris. And yeah, that's gorgeous. This is right up my alley. Love these. Okay, we love those. Next, number 16. 16 is, let me get it open. 16 is a 20-piece 6 mil crystal coin beads. Slate blue and green iris. Look how pretty that is. Get a little closer. And they're gorgeous. And you can see the side The side, oops, the side here is a little matte right there, and the rest is, you got that sparkle. So I love that. I love it mixing up the two different textures. So that's really nice. Next, we have number 18. 18 is a 2-piece 38 by 9 mil swirl links. And these are pretty. There we go. And it has texture on both sides, as you can see. So that's really pretty. Let's see what we got next. Number 20. 20 is a 17-inch strand, 6 by 14 mil ice blue quartz dyed graduated rounds. Look, look at these sizes on here. So you got the bigger size in the middle, and another size. I mean, this is basically already a necklace, kind of. Let's see if I can get that all in. Look at these. These are just gorgeous. These are really pretty. You could string it. You could really string them as they are. This is just really gorgeous. Look at that. Wow. Nice and heavy. Nicely cut. Nice finish. Very nice. Here we got more sparkles. Number 13. Right up my alley here. 13. A 15-inch strand of 4 mil bicone beads. Metallic blue iris. And that's what I use. This will make a beautiful Russian spiral. Love the bicones. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Number 17. 17 is a 10 gram 5x2 smooth rondelle spacer beads. There you go. They are the same on each side. Okay, number 15. And 15 is a 5-piece 12 mil half matte crystal coin beads. More. Oh, these are interesting. Look at that. Isn't that neat? Kind of like a little snowflake design on there. Look how pretty that is. It's the same on both sides. Very pretty. Okay. And this is number 10. 10 is a 2-piece 14 mil cut glass snowflake. These are pretty. It's a pendant. It has a pre-drilled hole in there. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Very pretty. That's the back. This is really pretty. So pretty. And let's see what's next. Number 11. Number 11 is a 2-piece 17 by 23 mil snowflake cutout chandelier. Oops. There you go. You can use it to make earrings or just a necklace. And it's in keeping with the snowflake design. There we go. Number 12. 12 is a 3-piece electroplated natural rough quartz points. Okay, it is rough. That's very rough. It looks like it has some pre-drilled holes. I don't know. I don't know if I would actually use these. It is a little on the sharp side. So, but I don't know if I would actually use these. Seems really cut up there. So, oh well. Number 5, and number 5 is 40-piece Lacy 6-petal bead caps. These are really cute. They do look kind of lacy. Look at that. Isn't that cute? These are really decorative because of the lacy effect. It's cute. Okay, and number 6. 6 is, oh, this is number 9. 9 is a 18 mil cut glass crystal snowflake pendant in Bermuda blue. It's really pretty. That's the back. It has a pre-drilled hole in there. Very pretty. And this must be number 6. A 10-piece strand, 10 mil matte natural halite round beads. There you go. These are pretty. It almost looks like chalk. This is nice. So it's going to add a different texture to the design, or whatever you decide to make. So we've got some sparkles here, and this is going to add a nice different texture, as you can see. It's going to look pretty together. And number 8. Number 8 is a 7-inch strand 4x3 crystal rondelle beads in matte ice blue. It's pretty. And we have number 3. 3 is 48 mil cutout round winter focal. Let's see this one here. This is big. Look at that. And is the same one each side. Let's see. Let's get my handy dandy ruler out. Let's. Oh, wrong way. There we go. So there we go. It's about 1 3/4 inches wide. So yeah, it's a pretty big piece. Okay, our next item here is number 19. 2 sets of brass swirl toggle clasp. It's cute. Let's see what else we have here. Number 1 is a 4-piece 25 by 22 mil snowflake links. These are pretty. Look at that. Very pretty. Let's see. And number 7. Number 7 is, these are a little on the heavy side. Number 7 is a 10-gram bag of 8.5 by 9.5 snowflake beads. These are cute. They're really cute. And they have the hole in there. They're pretty heavy. And number 4. Number 4 is a 7-inch strand of 6mm natural quartz crystal round beads. There we go. And this is the last one. Our last one is number 2. It's 1 meter of steel jewelry chain. It's called Luma China jewelry chain. And this is pretty. Look at that. Look at that design in there. I don't know if you can see that. It's very sparkly. I've never seen a chain like this. See if I can get it a little closer for you. Isn't that pretty? Really pretty. Okay, it looks like that is it. It says approximate total retail value for the shipment is $65, and again it's $17.95 a month. So that is it for December 2021 Bargain Bead Box. Gotta get everything back out and take some pictures. There you go. But definitely, I love this theme, the winter ice blue. It kind of goes with bracelet I made a little bit. So let me know what you think. I would love to see your creations that you make. You can post them in the comments, and if you find my content helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, and you can hit the little notification bell if you want to know when I post my videos. You can go ahead and do that. And I think that's it. I'm going to sit here and play with this and get some pictures. Okay, so have a great holiday coming up, and stay safe, stay warm, stay healthy out there. And I will talk to you all again next week. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.